Tamil Nadu 12th Standard Biology Book Back Multi-Choice Questions and Answers. Chapter number 1. Asexual and Sexual Reproduction in Plants. Question number 1. Choose the correct statement from the following. A. Gametes are involved in asexual reproduction. Option B. Bacteria reproduce asexually by budding. Option C. Conidia formation is a method of sexual reproduction. Option C. Yeast reproduce by budding. And the right answer for this question is option C. Conidia formation is a method of sexual reproduction. Question number 2. An eminent Indian embryologist is option A. S.R. Kashyap. Option B. P. Maheshwari. Option C. M.S. Swaminathan. Option D. K.C. Mehta. And the right answer for this question is option B. P. Maheshwari. Question number 3. Identify the correctly matched pair. Option A. Tuber, Anium cepa. Option B. Sucker, Pistia. Option C. Rhizome, Musa. Option D. Stolen, Zingiber. And the right answer for this question is option C. Rhizome, Musa. Question number 4. Pollen tube was discovered by option A. J.G. Coleridge. Option B. G.B. Amici. Option C. E. Strasburger. Option D. E. Hanning. And the right answer for this question is option B. G.B. Amici. Question number 5. Size of pollen grain in myosotis. Option A. 10 micrometer. B. 20 micrometer. C. 200 micrometer. D. 2000 micrometer. And the right answer for this question is option A. 10 micrometer. Question number 6. First cell of male gametophyte in angiosperm is option A. Microspore. Option B. Megaspore. Option C. Nucleus. Option D. Primary endosperm nucleus. And the right answer for this question is option A. Microspore. Question number 7. Match the following. 1. External fertilization. 1. Pollen grain. 2. Androecium. 2. Anther wall. 3. Male gametophyte. 3. Algae. 4. Primary parietal layer. 4. Stamens. And the options for this question is option A. 1 4, 2 1, 3 2, 4 3. Option B. 1 3, 2 4, 3 2, 4 1. Option C. 1 3, 2 4, 3 2, 4 1. Option D. 1 3, 2 1, 3 4, 4 2. And the right answer for this question is option B. 1 3, 2 4, 3 2, 4 1. Question number 8. Arrange the layers of anther wall from locus to periphery. Option A. Epidermis. Middle layers. Tapetum. Endothecium. Option B. Tapetum. Middle layers. Epidermis. Endothecium. Option C. Endothecium. Epidermis. Middle layers. Tapetum. Option D. Tapetum. Middle layers. Endothecium. Epidermis. And the right answer for this question is option D. tapetum, middle layers, endothelium, epidermis. Question number 9. Identify the incorrect pair. Option A, sporopollenin, egg sign of pollen grain. Option B, tapetum, nutritive tissue for developing microspores. Option C, nucellus, nutritive tissue for developing embryo. Option D, obturator, directs the pollen tube into microfile. And the right answer for this question is option C, nucellus, nutritive tissue for developing embryo. Question number 10. Assertion. Sporopollenin preserves pollen in fossil deposits. Reason? Sporopollenin is resistant to physical and biological decomposition. Option A, assertion is true, reason is false. Option B, assertion is false, reason is true. Option C, both assertion and reason are not true. Option D, both assertion and reason are true. And the right answer for this question is option B, assertion is false, reason is true. Question number 11. Choose the correct statement about tenunucellate ovule. Option A, sporogenous cell is hypodermal. Option B, ovules have fairly large nucellus. Option C, sporogenous cell is epidermal. Option D, ovules have single layer of nucellus tissue. And the right answer for this question is option A, sporogenous cell is hypodermal. Question number 12. Which of the following represent megagametophyte? Option A, ovule. Option B, embryo sac. Option C, nucellus. Option D, endosperm. And the right answer for this question is option B, embryo sac. Question number 13. In Haplopappus gracilis, number of chromosomes in cells of nucellus is 4. What will be the chromosome number in primary endosperm cell? Option A, 8. B, 12. C, 6. D, 2. And the right answer for this question is option B, 12. Question number 14. Transmitting tissue is found in A, micropylar region of ovule. B, pollen tube wall. C, stylar region of gynoecium. D, integument. And the right answer for this question is option C, stylar region of gynoecium. Question number 15. The scar left by funiculus in the seed is option A, tegmen. B, radicle. C, epicotyle. D, hilum. And the right answer for this question is option D, hilum. Question number 16. A plant called X possesses small flower with reduced perianth and versatile anther. The probable agent for pollination would be option A, water. B, air. C, butterflies. D, beetles. And the right answer for this question is option B, air. Question number 17. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. In protandrous flowers, pistil matures earlier. Statement 2. In protogynous flowers, pistil matures earlier. Statement 3. Hercogamy is noticed in unisexual flowers. Statement 4. Distily is present in primula. The options are option A, 1 and 2 are correct. Option B, 2 and 4 are correct. Option C, 2 and 3 are correct. Option D, 1 and 4 are correct. And the right answers for this question is option B, 2 and 4 are correct. Question number 18. Coloreza is found in option A, paddy, B, bean, C, pea, D, tridux. And the right answer for this question is option A, paddy. Question number 19. Parthenocarpic fruits lack option A, endocarp, B, epicarp, C, mesocarp, D, seed. And the right answer for this question is option D, seed. Question number 20. In majority of plants, pollen is liberated at option A, 1 cell stage, option B, 2 cell stage, option C, 3 cell stage, option B, 4 cell stage. And the right answer for this question is option B, 2 cell stage. Chapter number 2, Classical Genetics. Question number 21. Extranuclear inheritance is a consequence of presence of genes in option A, mitochondria and chloroplast, option B, endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria, option C, ribosomes and chloroplast, option D, lysosomes and ribosomes. And the right answer for this question is option A, mitochondria and chloroplast. Question number 22. In order to find out the different types of gametes produced by a pea plant having a genotype capital A small a, capital B small b, it should be crossed to a plant with a genotype option A, small a, capital B, option B, capital A small a, capital B, option C, capital A, capital B, option D, small a, small b. And the right answer for this question is option D, small a, small b. Question number 23. How many different kinds of gametes will be produced by a plant having a genotype capital A, capital B, small b, capital C? The options are A, 3, B, 4, C, 9, D, 2. And the right answer for this question is option D, 2. Question number 24. Which one of the following is an example of polygenic inheritance? A, flower color in Mirabilis jalapa. Option B, production of male honeybee. Option C, pot shape in garden pea. Option D, skin color in humans. And the right answer for this question is option D, skin color in humans. Question number 25. In Mendel's experiments with garden pea, round seed shape capital R was dominant over wrinkled seeds small r. Yellow cotyledon capital Y was dominant over green cotyledon small y. What are the expected phenotypes in the F2 generation of the cross capital R, capital Y into small r, small y? Option A, only round seeds with green cotyledons. B, only wrinkled seeds with yellow cotyledons. C, only wrinkled seeds with green cotyledons. D, round seeds with yellow cotyledons and wrinkled seeds with yellow cotyledons. And the right answer for this question is option D, round seeds with yellow cotyledons and wrinkled seeds with yellow cotyledons. Question number 26. Test cross involves option A, crossing between two genotypes with recessive trait. B. Crossing between two F1 hybrids. C. Crossing the F1 hybrid with a double regressive genotype. D. Crossing between two genotypes with a dominant trait. And the right answer for this question is option C. Crossing the F1 hybrid with a double regressive genotype. Sorry, the upcoming question is from 6th chapter, which is misplaced here. Question number 27. The plant of this group are adapted to live partly in water and partly above substratum and free from water. Option A. Xerophytes. B. Mesophytes. C. Hydrophytes. D. Halophytes. And the right answer for this question is option B. Mesophytes. Question number 28. In pea plants, yellow seeds are dominant to green. If a heterozygous yellow seed plant is crossed with a green seeded plant, what ratio of yellow and green seeded plants would you expect in generation? Option A, 9:3. B, 1:3. C, 3:1. D, 50:50. And the right answer for this question is option D, 50:50. Question number 29. The genotype of a plant showing the dominant phenotype can be determined by option A, black cross. B, test cross. C, dihybrid cross. D, pedigree analysis. And the right answer for this question is option B, test cross. Question number 30. Select the correct statement from the ones given below with respect to dihybrid cross. Option A. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosome show very few combinations. Option B. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosome show higher combinations. Option C. Genes far apart on the same chromosome show very few recombinations. Option D. Genes loosely linked on the same chromosomes show similar recombinations as the tightly linked ones. And the right answer for this question is option A. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosomes show very few combinations. Question number 31. Which Mendelian idea is depicted by the cross in which the F1 generation resembles both the parents? Option A, incomplete dominance. B, law of dominance. C, inheritance of one gene. D, codominance. And the right answer for this question is option D, codominance. Question number 32. Fruit color in squash is an example of A, recessive epistasis. B, dominant epistasis. C, complementary genes. D, inhibitory genes. And the right answer for this question is option B, dominant epistasis. Question number 33. In his classical experiments on pea plants, Mendel did not use option A, flowering position. B, seed color. C, pod length. D, seed shape. And the right answer for this question is option C, pod length. Question number 34. The epistatic effect in which the hybrid cross 9:3:3:1 between A, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital A, small b, small b is modified as option A, dominance of one allele on another allele of both loci. B, interaction between two alleles of different loci. C, Dominance of one allele to another alleles of same loci. D. Interaction between two alleles of some loci. And the right answer for this question is B. Interaction between two alleles of different loci. Question number 35. In a test cross involving F1, dihybrid flies, more parental type offspring were produced than the recombination type of offspring. This indicates option A. The two genes are located on two different chromosomes. B. Chromosomes failed to separate during meiosis. C. The two genes are linked and present on the same chromosome. D. Both of the characters are controlled by more than one gene. And the right answer for this question is option C. The two genes are linked and present on the same chromosome. Question number 36. The genes controlling the 70 characters studied by Mendel are known to be located on how many different chromosomes? Option A 7, B 6, C 5, D 4. And the right answer for this question is option A 7. Question number 37. Which of the following explains how progeny can possess the combination of traits that none of the parent possess? Option A. Law of segregation. B. Chromosome theory. C. Law of independent assortment. D. Polygenic inheritance. And the right answer for this question is option D. Polygenic inheritance. Question number 38. Gametes are never hybrid. This is a statement of option A. Law of dominance. B. Law of independent assortment. C. Law of segregation. D. Law of random fertilization. And the right answer for this question is option C. Law of segregation. Question number 39. Gene which suppresses other genes' activity but does not lie on the same locus is called as option A. Epistatic. B. Supplement only. C. Hypostatic. D. Codominant. And the right answer for this question is option C. Hypostatic. Question number 40. Pure tall plants are crossed with pure dwarf plants. In the F1 generation, all plants were tall. These tall plants of the generation were cells and the ratio of the tall to dwarf plant obtained was 3:1. This is called option A. Dominance. B. Inheritance. C. Codominance. D. Heredity. And the right answer for this question is option A. Dominance. Question number 41. The dominant epistatis ratio is option A. 9:3:3:1. B. 12:3:1. C. 9:3:4. D. 9:6:1. And the right answer for this question is option B. 12:3:1. Question number 42. Select the period for Mendel's hybridization experiments. Option A. 1856 to 63. B. 1850 to 70. C. 1857 to 69. D. 1870 to 77. And the right answer for this question is option A. 1856 to 1863. Question number 43. Among the following characters, which one was not considered by Mendel in his experimentation P? A. Stem, tall are dwarfs. B. Trichomal glandular or non-glandular. C. Seed green or yellow. D. Pod inflated or constricted. And the right answer for this question is option B. Trichomal glandular or non-glandular. Chapter number 3. Chromosomal basis of inheritance. Question number 44. An allohexaploidy contains option A. 6 different genomes. Option B. 6 copies of 3 different genomes. Option C. 2 copies of 3 different genomes. Option D. 6 copies of 1 genome. And the right answer for this question is option B. 6 copies of 3 different genomes. Question number 45. The A and B genes 10 cm apart on a chromosome. If an capital A capital B by small a small b heterozygote is test crossed through small a small b by small a small b, how many of each progeny class would you expect out of 100 total progeny? Option A. 25 capital A capital B, 25 small a small b, 25 capital A small b, 25 small a capital B. Option B. 10 capital A capital B, 10 small a small b. Option C. 45 capital A capital B, 45 small a small b. Option D. 45 capital A B, 45 small a b, 5 capital A small b, 5 small a capital. And the right answer for this question is option B. 10 capital A capital B, 10 small a small b. Question number 46. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. A. A pair of chromosomes extra with diploid. B. 1 chromosome extra to the diploid. C. 1 chromosome loses from diploid. D. 2 individual chromosomes lose from diploid. List 2. 1. Monosomy. 2. Tetrasomy. 3. Trisomy. 4. Double monosomy. And the options are option A. A1, B3, C2, D4. B. A2, B3, C4, D1. C. A2, B3, C1, D4. D. A3, B2, C1, D4. And the right answer for this question is option C. A2, B3, C1, D4. Question number 47. Which of the following sentences are correct? 1. The offspring exhibit only parental combinations due to incomplete linkage. 2. The linked genes exhibit some crossing over in complete linkage. 3. The separation of 2 linked genes are possible in complete linkage. 4. Crossing over is absent in complete linkage. The options are 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, D 1 and 4. And the right answer for this question is option C 3 and 4. Question number 48. Accurate mapping of genes can be done by 3-point test cross because increases. Option A. Possibility of single crossover. B. possibility of double crossover, C, possibility of multiple crossovers, D, possibility of recombination frequency. The answer is option B, possibility of double crossover. Question number 49. Due to incomplete linkage in maize, the ratio of parental and recombinants are option A 50:50, B 7:1:1:7, C 96:4:3:6, D 1:7:7:1. And the right answer for this question is option B 7:1:1:7. Question number 50. Genes G, S, L, H are located on the same chromosome. The recombination percentage is between L and G is 15%, S and L is 50%, and H and S are 20%. The correct order of genes is option A, GHSL, B, SHGL, C, SGHL, D, HSLG. And the right answer for this question is option B, SHGL. Question number 51. The point mutation sequence for transition, transversion and transversion in DNA are option A, A to T, T to A, C to G, and G to C. Option B, A to G, C to T, C to G, and T to A. Option C, C to G, A to G, T to A, and G to A. Option D, G to C, A to T, T to A, and C to G. The right answer for this question is option B, A to G, C to T, C to G, and T to A. Question number 52. If the haploid number in cells is 18, the double monosomic and trisomic number will be option A, 35 and 37, B, 34 and 37, C, 37 and 35, D, 17 and 19. The right answer for this question is option B, 34 and 37. Question number 53. Changing the codon AGC to AGA represents option A, missense mutation, B, nonsense mutation, C, frame shift mutation, D, deletion mutation. And the right answer for this question is option A, missense mutation. Question number 54. Assertion. Gamma rays are generally used to induce mutation in wheat varieties. Reason. Because they carry lower energy to non-ionize electrons from an atom. Option A is correct. R is correct explanation of A. B, A is correct. R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is correct. R is wrong explanation of A. D, A and R are wrong. The right answer is option C, A is correct. R is wrong explanation of A. Question number 55. How many map units separate two alleles A and B if the recombination frequency is 0.09? Option A, 900 cm, B, 90 cm, C, 9 cm, D, 0.9 cm. And the right answer for this question is option D, 0.9 cm. Chapter 4, Principles and Processes of Biotechnology. Question number 56. Restriction enzymes are option A, not always required in genetic engineering. B, essential tool in genetic engineering. C, nucleases that cleave DNA at specific sites. D, both B and C. The answer is option D, both B and C. Question number 57. Plasmids are A, circular protein molecules. B, required by bacteria. C, tiny bacteria. D, confer resistance to antibiotics. The answer is option B, confer resistance to antibiotics. Question number 58. EcoRI cleaves DNA at A, AGGGTT, B, GTATATC, C, GAATTC, D, TATAGC. The answer is option C, GAATC. Question number 59. Genetic engineering is option A, making artificial genes. B, hybridization of DNA of one organism to that of others. C, production of alcohol by using microorganisms. D, making artificial limbs, diagnostic instruments such as ECG and EEG, etc. And the right answer for this question is option B, hybridization of DNA of one organism to that of others. Question number 60. Consider the following statements. 1. Recombinant DNA technology is popularly known as genetic engineering, is a stream of biotechnology which deals with the manipulation of genetic materials by man in vitro. 2. PBR322 is the first artificial cloning vector developed in 1977 by Bolivar and Rodriguez from E. coli plasmid. 3. Restriction enzymes belong to a class of enzymes called nucleases. Choose the correct option regarding to the above statements. A, 1 and 2, B, 1 and 3, C, 2 and 3, D, 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 61. The process of recombinant DNA technology has the following steps. 1. Amplification of the gene. 2. Insertion of recombinant DNA into host cells. 3. Cutting of DNA at a specific location using a restriction enzyme. 4. Isolation of genetic material. Pick the correct sequence of steps for recombinant DNA technology. Option A, 2, 3, 4, 1. B, 4, 2, 3, 1. C, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 4, 3, 1, 2. And the right answer is option D, 4, 3, 1, 2. Question number 62. Which one of the following palindromic base sequences in DNA can be easily cut at about the middle by some particular restriction enzymes? Option A, 5-CGTTCG 3-ATCGTA5-. Option B, 5-GATATG 3-CTACTA5-. Option C, 5-GAATTC 3-CTTAAG5-. Option D, 5-CACGTA 3-CTCAGT5-. The right answer is option C, 5-GAATTC 3-CTTAAG5-. AAG5 dash. Question number 63. PBR 322. BR stands for option A, plasmid bacterial recombination. C, plasmid bacterial replication. C, plasmid Bolivar and Rodriguez. D, plasmid Baltimore and Rodriguez. The right answer is option C, plasmid Bolivar and Rodriguez. Question number 64. Which of the following one is used as a biosensor? Option A, electrophoresis. B, bioreactors. C, vectors. D, electroporation. The right answer is option B, bioreactors. Question number 65. Match the following. Column A, 1, exonucleus. 2, endonucleus. 3, alkaline phosphatase. 4, ligase. Column B, A, add or remove phosphate. B, binding the DNA fragments. C, cut the DNA at terminus. D, cut the DNA at middle. The options are option A, ABCD. B, CDBA. C, ACBD. D, CDAB. And the right answer is D, CDAB. Question number 66. In which techniques ethidium bromide is used? Option A, southern blotting techniques. B, western blotting techniques. C, polymerase chain reaction. D, agarose gel electrophoresis. The right answer is option D, agarose gel electrophoresis. Question number 67. Assertion. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is popular in genetic engineering because of this bacterium is associated with the root nodules of all cereals and pulse crops. Reason. A gene incorporated in the bacterial chromosomal genome gets automatically transferred to the cross with which bacterium is associated. The options are A, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B, both assertion and reasons are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C, assertion is true, reason is false. D, assertion is false, reason is true. E, both assertion and reason are false. And the right answer is option A, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Sorry, the upcoming question is from 6th chapter, which is misplaced here. Question number 68. Column 1 represents the size of the soil particle components. Which of the following is the correct match for the column 1 and column 2? Column 1, first one, 0.2 to 2 mm. 2, less than 0.002 mm. 3, 0.002 to 0.02 mm. 4, 0.002 to 0.2 mm. Column 2, 1, slitty soil. 2, clayey soil. 3, sandy soil. 4, loamy soil. The options are option A, 2341. B, 4132. C, 3214. D, none of the above. And the right answer is option C, 3214. Question number 69. Which one of the following is not a correct statement? Option A, Tie plasmid causes the bunchy top disease? B. Multiple cloning site is known as polylinker. C. Non-viral method of transfection of nucleic acid in cell. D. Polyacetic acid is a kind of biodegradable and bioactive thermoplastic. And the right answer is option A. Tie plasmid causes the bunchy top disease. Question number 70. An analysis of chromosomal DNA using the sudden hybridization technique does not use A. Electrophoresis, B. Blotting, C. Autoradiography, D. Polymerase chain reaction. The answer is option A. Electrophoresis. Question number 71. An antibiotic gene in a vector usually helps in the selection of A. Component cells, B. Transformed cells, C. Recombinant cells, D. None of the above. And the right answer is option A. Component cells. Question number 72. Some of the characteristics of Bt cotton are option A. Long fiber and resistant to aphids, B. Medium yield, long fiber and resistant to beetle pests, C. High yield and production of toxic protein crystals which kill diphtherian pests, D. High yield and resistant to bollworms. And the right answer is option B. Medium yield, long fiber and resistant to beetle pests. Chapter 5. Plant tissue culture. Question number 73. Totipotency refers to option A. Capacity to generate genetically identical plants, B. Capacity to generate a whole plant from any plant cell, C. Capacity to generate hybrid protoplast, D. Recovery of healthy plants from diseased plants. The right answer is option B. Capacity to generate a whole plant from any plant cell or explant. Question number 74. Micropropagation involves A. Vegetative multiplication of plants by using microorganisms, B. Vegetative multiplication of plants by using small expanse, C. Vegetative multiplication of plants by using microspores, D. Non-vegetative multiplication of plants by using microspores and megaspores. The right answer is option B. Vegetative multiplication of plants by using small explants. Question number 75. Match the following. Column A. Totipotency, D-differentiation, 3. Explant, 4. Differentiation. Column B. A. Reversion of mature cells into meristem, B. Biochemical and structural changes of cells, C. Properties of living cells developing into entire plant, D. Selected plant tissue transferred into culture medium. The options are option A. CADB, B. ACBD, C. BADC, D. DBCA. And the right answer is option A. CADB. Question number 76. The time duration for sterilization process by using autoclave is dash minutes and the temperature is dash. Option A. 10 to 30 minutes and 125 degrees Celsius. B. 15 to 30 minutes and 121 degrees Celsius. C. 15 to 20 minutes and 125 degrees Celsius. D. 10 to 20 minutes and 121 degrees Celsius. The right answer is Option B, 15 to 30 minutes and 121 degrees Celsius. Question number 77. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, agar is not extracted from marine algae such as seaweeds. B, callus undergoes differentiation and produces somatic embryos. C, surface sterilization of explants is done by using mercuric bromide. D, pH of the culture medium is 5.0 to 6.0. The right answer is option D, pH of the culture medium is 5.0 to 6.0. Question number 78. Select the incorrect statement from the given statements. Option A, a tonic used for cardiac arrest is obtained from Digitalis purpurea. B, medicine used to treat rheumatic pain is extracted from Capsicum annum. C, an anti-malarial drug is isolated from Cinchona officinalis. D, anti-carcinogenic property is not seen in Catharanthus roseus. E, all the above are correct. The right answer is option E, all the above are correct. Question number 79. Worms-free plants are developed from A, organ culture, B, meristem culture, C, protopast culture, D, cell suspension culture. The answer is option B, meristem culture. Question number 80. The prevention of large-scale loss of biological integrity. A, biopatent, B, bioethics, C, biosafety, D, biofuel. The right answer is option C, biosafety. Question number 81. Cryopreservation means it is the process to preserve plant cells, tissues or organs. Option A, at very low temperature by using ether. B, at very high temperature by using liquid nitrogen. C, at very low temperature of 196 by using liquid nitrogen. D, at very low temperature by using liquid nitrogen. The answer is option C, at very low temperature of 196 by using liquid nitrogen. Question number 82. Solidifying agent used in plant tissue culture is option A, nicotinic acid, B, cobaltous chloride, C, EDTA, D, agar. And the right answer is option D, agar. Chapter 6, Principles of Ecology. Question number 83. Arrange the correct sequence of ecological hierarchy starting from lower to higher level. Option A, individual organism, population landscape, ecosystem. B, landscape, ecosystem, biome, biosphere. C, community, ecosystem, landscape, biome. D, population, organism, biome, landscape. And the right answer is option A, individual organism, population landscape, ecosystem. Question number 84. Ecology is the study of an individual species is called 1. Community ecology, 2. Autecology, 3. Species ecology, 4. Synecology. The options are A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, 1 and 4 only, D, 2 and 3 only. And the right answer is option B, 2 only. Question number 85. A specific place in an ecosystem where an organism lives and performs its functions is A. Habitat, B. Niche, C. Landscape, D. Biome. And the right answer is option B. Niche. Question number 86. Read the given statements and select the correct option. 1. Hydrophytes possesses parenchyma to support themselves in water. 2. Seeds of viscum are positively photoblastic as they germinate only in the presence of light. 3. Hygroscopic water is the only soil water available to roots of plant growing in soil as it is present inside the micropores. 4. High temperature reduces use of water and solute absorption by roots. The options are 1, 2, 3 only, B 2, 3, 4, C 2 and 3 only, D 1 and 2 only. And the right answer is option D 1 and 2 only. Question number 87. Which of the given plant produces cardiac glycosides? Option A. Calotropis, B. Acacia, C. Nepenthes, D. Utricularia. And the right answer is option A. Calotropis. Question number 88. Read the given statements and select the correct option. 1. Loamy soil is best suited for plant growth as it contains a mixture of silt, sand and clay. 2. The process of humification is slow in case of organic remains containing a large amount of lignin and cellulose. 3. Capillary water is the only water available to plant roots as it is present inside the micropores. 4. Leaves of shade plant have more total chlorophyll per reaction center. Low ratio of Ca and Cb are usually thinner leaves. Option A 1, 2, 3 only, B 2, 3, 4 only, C 1, 2, 4 only, D 2, 3 only. And the right answer is option D 2, 3 only. Question number 89. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement A. Cattle do not graze on weeds of Calotropis. Statement B. Calotropis have thorns and spines as defense against herbivores. Option A. Both statement A and B are incorrect. B. Statement A is correct, B is incorrect. C. Both statement A and B are correct, but statement B is not the correct explanation of statement A. D. Both statement A and B are correct and statement B is the correct explanation of statement A. And the right answer is option B. Statement A is the correct, but statement B is incorrect. Question number 90. In soil water available for plants is option A. Gravitational water, B. Chemically bound water, C. Capillary water, D. Hygroscopic water. And the right answer is option C. Capillary water. Question number 91. Read the following statements and fill up the blanks with correct option. 1. Total soil water content in soil is called. 2. Soil water not available to plants is called. 3. Soil water available to plants is called. We have some options and the options are option A. Hollard, Eckard, Cressard. Option B. Eckard, Hollard, Cressard. Option C, Cressard, Eckhart, Hollard. Option D, Hollard, Cressard, Eckhart. And the right answer for the question is option A, Hollard, Eckhart, Cressard. Question number 92. Column 1 represents the size of the soil particle components. Which of the following is the correct match for the column 1 and column 2? Column 1, first one, 0.2 to 2 mm. 2, less than 0.002 mm. 3, 0.002 to 0.02 mm. 4, 0.002 to 0.2 mm. Column 2, 1, slitty soil. 2, clayey soil. 3, sandy soil. 4, loamy soil. The options are option A, 2, 3, 4, 1. B, 4, 1, 3, 2. C, 3, 2, 1, 4. D, none of the above. And the right answer is 3, 2, 1, 4. Question number 93. Identify the A, B, C and D in given table. So the table has 3 columns. Interaction. Under interaction column we have mutualism, B, competition, D, effects on species X. Under this we have A, plus, minus, minus. On the next one is effect on species Y. Under this we have plus, minus, C and 0. So the options are option A, plus parasitium minus amensalism. Option B, minus mutualism plus competition. C, plus competition 0 mutualism. D, 0 amensalism plus parasitism. And the right answer for the question is option A, plus parasitism minus amensalism. Question number 94. Opha is an orchid resembling the female of an insect so as to be able to get pollinated is due to the phenomenon of option A, myrmecophily. B, ecological equivalence. C, mimicry. D, none of these. And the right answer is option C, mimicry. Question number 95. A free-living nitrogen-fixing cyanobacterium which can also form symbiotic association with the water fem azolla. Option A, Nostoc. B, Anavenna. C, Cholera. D, Rhizobium. And the right answer for this question is option B, Anavenna. Question number 96. Pedogenesis refers to A, fossils. B, water. C, population. D, soil. And the right answer is option D, soil. Question number 97. Mycorrhiza promotes plant growth by A, serving as a plant growth regulator. B, absorbing inorganic ions from soil. C, helping the plant in utilizing atmospheric nitrogen. D, protecting the plant from infection. The answer is option D, protecting the plant from infection. Question number 98. Which of the following plant has a non-succulent, xerophytic and thick leathery leaves with waxy coating? A, Bryophyllum. B, Ruscus. C, Nerium. D, Calotropis. And the right answer is option D, Calotropis. Question number 99. In a freshwater environment like pond, rooted autotrophs are option A, Nymphia and Typha. B, Ceritophyllum and Utricularia. C, Wolfia and Pistia. D, Azolla and Lemna. And the right answer for this question is option A, Nymphia and Typha. Question number 100. Match the following and choose the correct combination from the given options below. Column 1 is interaction. Column 2 is examples. So, under column 1 we have mutanism, 2 commensalism, 3 parasitism, 4 predation, 5 amensalism. Under examples we have 1 trichoderma and penicillium, 2 Balanophora and Orobanche, 3 orchids and ferns, 4 lichen and mycorrhiza, 5 Nepenthes and Dionea. And the options are option A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, B 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, C 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, D 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. And the right answer for this question is option D 4, 3, 2, 5 and 1. Question number 101. Strong, sharp spines that get attached to animals' feet are found in fruits of option A Argemon, B Iqbalium, C Heritier, D Crossandra. And the right answer for this question is option A Argemon. Question number 102. Sticky glands of Boravia and Cleome support option A Anemochory, B Zoochory, C Autochory, D Hydrochory. And the right answer for this question is option B Zoochory. Chapter 7 Ecosystem. Question number 103. Which of the following is not an abiotic component of the ecosystem? A. Bacteria, B. Humus, C. Organic compounds, D. Inorganic compounds. And the answer is option B. Humus. Question number 104. Which of the following are not a natural ecosystem? A. Forest ecosystem, B. Rice field, C. Grassland ecosystem, D. Desert ecosystem. And the answer is option B. Rice field. Question number 105. Pond is a type of A. Forest ecosystem, B. Grassland ecosystem, C. Marine ecosystem, D. Freshwater ecosystem. And the right answer is option D. Freshwater ecosystem. Question number 106. Pond ecosystem is A. Not self-sufficient and self-regulating, B. Partially self-sufficient and self-regulating, C. Self-sufficient and not self-regulating, D. Self-sufficient and self-regulating. The right answer is option D. Self-sufficient and self-regulating. Question number 107. Profundal zone is predominated by heterotrophs in a pond ecosystem because of option A. With high effective light penetration, B. No effective light penetration, C. Complete absence of light, D. A and B. And the right answer for this question is option D. A and B. Question number 108. Solar energy used by green plants for photosynthesis is only option A 2 to 8%, B 2 to 10%, C 3 to 10%, D 2 to 9%. And the right answer for this question is option B 2 to 10%. Question number 109. Which of the following ecosystem have the highest primary productivity? A. Pond ecosystem, B. Lake ecosystem, C. Grassland ecosystem, D. Forest ecosystem. And the right answer for the question is option C. Grassland ecosystem. Question number 110. Ecosystem consists of A. Decomposers, B. Producers, C. Consumers, D. All of the above. And the right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 111. Which one is in descending order of food chain? Option A, producers, secondary consumers, primary consumers, tertiary consumers. B, tertiary consumers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, producers. C, tertiary consumers, secondary consumers, primary consumers, producers. D, tertiary consumers, producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers. And the answer is option C, tertiary consumers, secondary consumers, primary consumers, producers. Question number 112. Significance of food web is option A, it does not maintain stability in nature. B, it shows patterns of energy transfer. C, it explains species interaction. D, option B and C. And the right answer for the question is option D, B and C. Question number 113. The following diagram represents. So there's a diagram. You can just look at the video and you can have a look at the diagram. So the options are option A, pyramid of number in grassland ecosystem. B, pyramid of number in pond ecosystem. C, pyramid of number in forest ecosystem. D, pyramid of biomass in pond ecosystem. The answer is option C, pyramid of number in forest ecosystem. Question number 114. Which of the following is not the mechanism of decomposition? Option A, elevation. B, catabolism. C, anabolism. D, fragmentation. The right answer is option C, anabolism. Question number 115. Which of the following is not a sedimentary cycle? A, nitrogen cycle. B, phosphorus cycle. C, sulfur cycle. D, calcium cycle. And the right answer is option A, nitrogen cycle. Question number 116. Which of the following are not regulating services of ecosystem services? 1, genetic resources. 2, recreation and aesthetic values. 3, invasion resistant. 4, climatic regulation. The options are 1 and 3, B, 2 and 4, C, 1 and 2, D, 1 and 4. The right answer is option C, 1 and 2. Chapter 8, Environmental Issues. Question number 117. Which of the following would most likely help to slow down the greenhouse effect? A, converting tropical forests into grazing land for cattle. B, ensuring that all excess paper packaging is buried to ashes. C, redesigning landfill dumps to allow methane to be collected. D, promoting the use of private rather than public transport. And the right answer for this question is option D, promoting the use of private rather than public transport. Question number 118. With respect to Eichhornia, statement A, it drains of oxygen from water and is seen growing in standing water. Statement B, it is an indigenous species of a country. Options are option A, statement A is correct, B is wrong. Option B, both statements A and B are correct. Option C, statement A is correct, statement B is wrong. Option D, both statements A and B are wrong. And the right answer for this question is option A, statement A is correct and statement B is wrong. Question number 119. Find out the wrongly matched pair. Option A, endemism, species confined to a region and not found anywhere else. B, hotspots, Western Ghats. C, ex situ conservation, zoological parks. D, sacred groves, Saint Three Hills of Rajasthan. E, alien spot of India, water hyacinth. And the right answer for this question is option D, Sacred Groves, Saintry Hills of Rajasthan. Question number 120. Depletion of which gas in the atmosphere can lead to increased incidence of skin cancer? A. Ammonia, B. Methane, C. Nitrous oxide, D. Ozone. And the right answer for this question is option D. Ozone. Question number 121. One greenhouse gas contributes 14% of total global warming and another contributes 6%. These are respectively identified as option A. N2O and CO2, B. CFC and N2O, C. CH4 and CO2, D. CH4 and CFCs. And the right answer is option B. CFCs and N2O. Question number 122. One of the chief reasons among the following for the depletion of number of species making endangered is A. Overhunting and poaching, B. Greenhouse effect, C. Completion and predation, D. Habitat destruction. The right answer for this question is option D. Habitat destruction. Question number 123. Deforestation means A. Growing plants and trees in an area where there is no forest, B. Growing plants and trees in an area where forest is removed, C. Growing plants and trees in a pond, D. Removal of plants and trees. And the right answer is deforestation means removal of plants and trees, which is option D. Question number 124. Deforestation does not lead to A. Quick nutrient cycling, B. Soil erosion, C. Alternation of local weather conditions, D. Destruction of natural habitat weather conditions. And the right answer is option A. Quick nutrient cycling. Question number 125. The unit for measuring ozone thickness. A. Joule, B. Kilos, C. Dobson, D. Watt. And the right answer for this question is option C. Dobson. Question number 126. People's movement for the protection of environment in Shrisi of Karnataka is option A. Chipko movement, B. Amrita Devi Bishwas movement, C. Apiko movement, D. None of the above. And the right answer is option C. Apiko movement. Question number 127. The plants which are grown in silvopasture system are A. Sesbania and Acacia, B. Solinum and Crotalaria, C. Clitoria and Begonia, D. Teak and Sandal. And the right answer for this question is option A. Sesbania and Acacia. Biobotany, Chapter 9, Plant Breeding. Question number 128. Assertion. Genetic variation provides the raw material for selection. Reason. Genetic variations are differences in genotypes of the individuals. Option A. Assertion is right and reason is wrong. B. Assertion is wrong and reason is right. C. Both reason and assertion is right. D. Both reason and assertion is wrong. And the right answer is option C. Both reason and assertion is right. Question number 129. While studying the history of domestication of various cultivated plants recognized earlier, option A. Centers of origin, B. Centers of domestication, C. Centers of hybrid, D. Centers of variation. The answer is option A. Centers of origin. Question number 130. Pick out the odd pair. Option A. Mass selection, morphological characters, B. Purulent selection, repeated self-pollination, C. Clonal selection, sexually propagated, D. Natural selection, involves nature. And the right answer for this question is option A. mass selection, morphological character. Question number 131. Column 1. 1. William S. God. 2. Shull. 3. Cotton Mather. 4. Mueller and Stadler. Column 2. 1. Heterosis. 2. Mutation breeding. 3. Green Revolution. 4. Natural hybridization. Option A. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. B. 1 3 2 1 3 4 4 2. C. 1 4 2 2 3 1 4 4. D. 1 2 2 4 3 3 4 1. And the right answer is option B. 1 3 2 1 3 4 4 2. Question number 132. The quickest method of plant breeding is option A. Introduction. B. Selection. C. Hybridization. 4. Mutation breeding. And the right answer is option D. Mutation breeding. Question number 133. Desired improved variety of economically useful crops are raised by option A. Natural selection. B. Hybridization. C. Mutation. D. Biofertilizers. And the right answer is option B. Hybridization. Question number 134. Plants having similar genotypes produced by plant breeding are called A. Clone. B. Haploid. C. Autopolyploid. D. Genome. And the right answer is option A. Clone. Question number 135. Importing better varieties of plants from outside and acclimatizing them to local environment is called option A. Cloning. B. Heterosis. C. Selection. D. Introduction. And the right answer is option D. Introduction. Question number 136. Dwarfing gene of wheat is A. PAL. B. Atomita 1. C. Norin 10. D. Pelita 2. And the right answer is option C. Norin 10. Question number 137. Crosses between the plants of the same variety are called option A. Interspecific. B. Intervarietal. C. Intravarietal. D. Intergenetic. And the right answer is option C. Intravarietal. Question number 138. Progeny obtained as a result of repeat self-pollination, a cross-pollinated crop to called option A. Pure line. B. Pedigree line. C. Inbreed line. D. Heterosis. The answer is option A. Pure line. Question number 139. Jaya and Ratna are the semi-dwarf varieties of A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Cowpea. D. Mustard. And the right answer is option B. Rice. Question number 140. Which one of the following are the species that are crossed to give sugarcane varieties with high sugar, high yield, thick stems, and the ability to grow in the sugarcane belt of North India? Option A. Saccharum robustum and Saccharum officinarum. B. Saccharum barberi and Saccharum officinarum. C. Saccharum sinensis and Saccharum officinarum. D. Saccharum barberi and Saccharum robustum. The right answer is option B. Saccharum barberi and Saccharum officinarum. Question number 141. Match column 1 crop with column 2 corresponding disease-resistant variety and select the correct options from the given codes. Column 1. 1. Coffee. 2. Wheat. 3. Chili. 4. Brassica. Column 2. 1. Hingiri. 2. Pusa Komal. 3. Pusa Sadabahar. 4. Pusa Swarnam. The options are option A 4321, B 2134, C 2413, D 1342. And the right answer is option B 2134. Question number 142. A wheat variety Atlas 66 which has been used as a donor for improving cultivated wheat which is rich in dash. Option A iron, B carbohydrates, C proteins, D vitamins. And the right answer is option C proteins. Question number 143. Which one of the following crop variety correctly matches with its resistance to a disease? Option A Pusa Komal, bacterial blight. Option B Pusa Sadabahar, white rush. Option C Pusa subra, chili mosaic virus. Option D Brassica, Pusa Swarnam. The right answer for this question is option A Pusa Komal, bacterial blight. Question number 144. Which one of the following is incorrectly paired? Option A wheat himgiri. Option B milch breed sahiwal. Option C rice ratna. Option D Pusa Komal brassica. And the right answer is option D Pusa Komal brassica. Question number 145. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 is biofertilizer, list 2 is organisms. List 1. 1. Free living N2. 2. Symbiotic N2. 3. P solubilizing. 4. P mobilizing. Organisms. A. Aspergillus. B. Amanita. C. Anabenna azole. D. Azotobacter. Options are option A 1C, 2A, 3B, 4D. B 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. C 1A, 2C, 3B, 4D. D 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. And the right answer for this question is option B 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. Chapter 10. Economically Useful Plants and Entrepreneurial Botany. Question number 146. Consider the following statements and choose the right option. 1. Cereals are members of grass family. 2. Most of the food grains come from monocotyledon. A. 1 is correct and 2 is wrong. B. Both 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1 is wrong and 2 is correct. D. Both 1 and 2 are wrong. The answer is option B. 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 147. Assertion. Vegetables are important part of a healthy eating. Reason. Vegetables are succulent structures of plants with pleasant aroma and flavors. Option A. Assertion is correct, reason is wrong. B. Assertion is wrong, reason is correct. C. Both are correct and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. D. Both are correct and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. The answer is option D. Both are correct and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 148. Groundnut is native of A. Philippines, B. India, C. North America, D. Brazil. And the right answer is option D. Brazil. Question number 149. Statement A. Coffee contains caffeine. Statement B. Drinking coffee enhances cancer. Options are option A is correct, B is wrong. B, A and B both are correct. C, A is wrong, B is correct. D, A and B both are wrong. And the answer is option A is correct, B is wrong. Question number 150. Tectona grandis is coming under family. Option A, Lamiaceae. B, Fabaceae. C, Dipterocarpaceae. D, Ebiraceae. And the right answer for this question is option A, Lamiaceae. Question number 151. Tamarindus indica is indigenous to A. Tropical African region. B. South India, Sri Lanka. C. South America, Greece. D. India alone. And the right answer for this question is option A. Tropical African region. Question number 152. New World species of cotton. Option A. Gossypium arboretum. B. G. herbaceum. C. Both A and B. D. G. barbadens. And the right answer for this question is option D. G. barbadens. Question number 153. Assertion. Turmeric fights various kinds of cancer. Reason. Curcumin is an antioxidant present in turmeric. Option A. Assertion is correct, reason is wrong. Option B. Assertion is wrong, reason is correct. Option C. Both are correct. Option D. Both are wrong. And the right answer is option C. Both are correct. Question number 154. Find out the correctly matched pair. Option A. Rubber Shoria robusta. B. Dye. C. Timber Cyperus papyrus. D. Pulp Hevia brasiliensis. And the right answer is option B. Dye. Question number 155. Observe the following statements and pick out the right option from the following. Statement 1. Perfumes are manufactured from essential oils. Statement 2. Essential oils are formed at different parts of the plant. A. Statement 1 is correct. B. Statement 2 is correct. C. Both statements are correct. D. Both statements are wrong. And the right answer for this question is option C. Both statements are correct. Question number 156. Observe the following and pick out the right option from the following. Statement 1. The drug sources of Siddha include plants, animal parts, ores and minerals. Statement 2. Minerals are used for preparing drugs with long shelf life. A. Statement 1 is correct. B. Statement 2 is correct. C. Both statements are correct. D. Both statements are wrong. The right answer is option C. Both statements are correct. Question number 157. The active principle trans-tetrahydrocannabidiol is present in A. Opium. B. Curcuma. C. Marijuana. D. Andrographis. And the right answer for this question is option C. Marijuana. Question number 158. Which one of the following matches is correct? Option A, Palmyra, native of Brazil. Option B, saccharin, abundant in Kanyakumari. Option C, stevioside, natural sweetener. Option D, Palmyra sap, fermented to give ethanol. And the right answer is option C, stevioside, natural sweetener. Question number 159. The only cereal that has originated and domesticated from the New World. A, Oryza sativa. B, Triticum aestium. C, Triticum durum. D, Siamese. And the right answer for this question is option C, Triticum durum. Biozoology, Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organisms. Question number 160. In which type of pathogenesis are only males produced? Option A, Archinotoki. B, Helitoki. C, Amphitoki. D, both A and B. And the right answer is option A, Archinotoki. Question number 161. Animals giving birth to young ones. A, oviparous. B, ovoviviparous. C, viviparous. D, both A and B. And the right answer for this question is option C, viviparous. Question number 162. The mode of reproduction in bacteria is by option A, formation of gametes. B, endospore formation. C, conjugation. D, zoospore formation. And the right answer is option C, conjugation. Question number 163. In which mode of reproduction variations are seen? A, asexual. B, parthenogenesis. C, sexual. D, both A and B. And the right answer is option C, sexual. Question number 164. 1. Assertion. In bee society, all members are deployed except drones. Reason? Drones are produced by parthenogenesis. A, if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation for A. B, if both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation for A. C, if A is true but R is false. D, both A and R are false. And the right answer for this question is option A, if both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Second question. Assertion. Offsprings produced by asexual reproduction are genetically identical to the parent. Reason? Asexual reproduction involves only mitosis and no meiosis. A, if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation for A. B, if both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation for A. C, if A is true but R is false. D, both A and R are false. The answer is option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Third one. Viviparous animals give better protection to their offsprings. Reason? They lay their eggs in the safe place of the environment. A, if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation for A. B, if both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation for A. C, if A is true but R is false. D, both A and R are false. The answer is option C. A is true, but R is false. Chapter 2, Human Reproduction. Question number 165. The mature sperms are stored in the option A, seminiferous tubules, B, vas deferens, C, epididymis, D, seminal vesicle. And the right answer is option C, epididymis. Question number 166. The male sex hormone testosterone is secreted from A, Sertoli cells, B, Leydig cells, C, epididymis, D, prostate gland. And the right answer is option B, Leydig cell. Question number 167. The glandular accessory organ which produces the largest proportion of semen is A, seminal vesicle, B, bulbourethral gland, C, prostate gland, D, mucus gland. And the right answer for this question is option A, seminal vesicle. Question number 168. The male homologue of the female clitoris is A, scrotum, B, penis, C, urethra, D, testis. And the right answer for this question is option B, penis. Question number 169. The site of embryo implantation is A, uterus, B, peritoneal cavity, C, vagina, D, fallopian tube. And the right answer is option A, uterus. Question number 170. The fetal membrane that forms the basics of the umbilical cord is option A, allantois, B, amnion, C, chorion, D, yolk sac. And the right answer for this question is option A, allantois. Question number 171. The most important hormone in initiating and maintaining lactation after birth is A, estrogen, B, FSH, C, prolactin, D, oxytocin. And the right answer for this question is option C, prolactin. Question number 172. Mammalian egg is A, mesolecythal and non-clidoic, B, microlecythal and non-clidoic, C, enlecythal and non-clidoic, D, enlecythal and clidoic. And the right answer for this question is option C, enlecythal and non-clidoic. Question number 173. The process which the sperm undergoes before penetrating the ovum is option A, spermiation, B, cortical reaction, C, spermiogenesis, D, capacitation. And the right answer for this question is option D, capacitation. Question number 174. The milk secreted by the mammary glands soon after the childbirth is called A, mucus, B, colostrum, C, lactose, D, sucrose. And the right answer for this question is option B, colostrum. Question number 175. Colostrum is rich in A, IgE, B, IgA, C, IgD, D, IgM. And the right answer for this question is option B, IgA. Question number 176. The androgen binding protein ABP is produced by A, Leydig cells, B, hypothalamus, C, Sertoli cells, D, pituitary gland. And the right answer for this question is option C, Sertoli cells. Question number 177. Which one of the following menstrual irregularities is correctly matched? Option A, menorrhagia, excessive menstruation, B, amenorrhea, absence of menstruation. D. Dysmenorrhea, irregularity of menstruation. D. Oligomenorrhea, painful menstruation. And the right answer is option B. Amenorrhea, absence of menstruation. Question number 178. Find out the wrongly matched pair. Option A. Bleeding phase, fall in estrogen and progesterone. B. Follicular phase, rise in estrogen. C. Luteal phase, rise in FSH level. D. Ovulatory phase, LH surge. And the right answer is option C. Luteal phase, rise in FSH level. Question number 179. A. That is assertion. In human male, testes are extra-abdominal and lie in scrotal sacs. Reason: scrotum acts as the thermoregulator and keeps temperature lower by 2 degrees Celsius for normal sperm production. Option A and R are true. R is correct explanation of A. B. A and R are true. R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true. R is false. D. Both A and R are false. The answer is option A. A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 180. Assertion. Ovulation is the reason for ovum from the Graafian follicle. R. It occurs during the follicular phase of menstrual cycle. Option A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. A and R are true. R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true. R is false. Option D. Both A and R are false. Answer: option C. A is true. R is false. Question number 181. Assertion. Head of the sperm consists of acrosome and mitochondria. R. Reason. Acrosome contains spiral rows of mitochondria. Option A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. A and R are true. R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true. R is false. Option D. Both A and R are false. The answer is option D. Both A and R are false. Chapter 3. Reproductive Health. Question number 182. Which of the following is correct regarding HIV, hepatitis B, gonorrhea, and trichomoniasis? The options are: gonorrhea is a STD whereas others are not. B. Trichomoniasis is a viral disease whereas others are bacterial. C. HIV is a pathogen whereas others are diseases. D. Hepatitis B is eradicated completely whereas others are not. And the right answer for this question is option C. HIV is a pathogen whereas others are diseases. Question number 183. Which one of the following groups includes sexually transmitted diseases caused by bacteria only? Option A. Syphilis, gonorrhea, candidiasis. B. Syphilis, chlamydiasis, gonorrhea. C. Syphilis, gonorrhea, trichomoniasis. D. Syphilis, trichomoniasis, pediculosis. And the right answer for this question is option B, syphilis, chlamydiasis, gonorrhea. Question number 184. Identify the correct statement from the following. A. Chlamydiasis is a viral disease. B. Gonorrhea is caused by a spirochete bacterium, Triphomina palladium. C. The incubation period for syphilis is 2 to 14 days in males and 7 to 21 days in females. D. Both syphilis and gonorrhea are easily cured with antibiotics. And the right answer for this question is option D. Both syphilis and gonorrhea are easily cured with antibiotics. Question number 185. The contraceptive pill prevents ovulation by A. Blocking fallopian tube. B. Inhibiting release of FSH and LH. C. Stimulating release of FSH and LH. D. Causing immediate degeneration of released ovum. The right answer is option B. Inhibiting release of FSH and LH. Question number 186. The approach which does not give the defined action of contraceptive is option A. Hormonal contraceptive, prevents entry of sperms, prevents ovulation and fertilization. B. Vasectomy, prevents spermatogenesis. C. Barrier method, prevents fertilization. D. Intrauterine device, increases phagocytosis of sperms, suppresses sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperms. And the right answer for this question is option B. Vasectomy, prevents spermatogenesis. Question number 187. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. Diaphragms, cervical caps, and walls are made of rubber and are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix before coitus. Statement 2. They are chemical barriers of consumption and are reusable. Options are both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. B. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. D. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. And the right answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 188. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column 1. A. Copper releasing IUD. B. Hormone releasing. C. Non-medicated IUD. D. Mini pills. Column 2. 1. LNG20. 2. Lipples loop IUD. 3. Saheli. 4. Multilode 375. The options are option A, 1, 4, option A, A4, B2, C1, D3. B, A4, B1, C3, D2. C, A1, B4, C2, D3. D. A4, B1, C2, D3. And the right answer for this question is option D. A4, B1, C2, D3. Question number 189. Select the incorrect action of hormonal contraceptive pills from the following. A. Inhibition of spermatogenesis. Option B. Inhibition of ovulation. C. changes in cervical mucus impairing its ability to allow passage and transport of sperms. D. Alteration in uterine endometrium to make it unsuitable for implantation. The right answer for this question is option A. Inhibition of spermatogenesis. Chapter number 4. Principles of inheritance and variance. Question number 190. Hemophilia is more common in males because it is A. Recessive character carried by Y chromosome. B. Dominant character carried by Y chromosome. C. Dominant trait carried by X chromosome. D. Recessive trait carried by X chromosome. And the right answer for this question is option D. Recessive trait carried by X chromosome. Question number 191. ABO blood group in man is controlled by A. Multiple alleles. B. Lethal genes. C. Sex-linked genes. D. Y-linked genes. And the right answer is option A. Multiple alleles. Question number 192. 3 children of a family have blood groups A, AB and B. What could be the genotypes of their parents? Option A. IA, IB and II. B. IA, IO and IB, IO. C. IB, IB and IA, IA. D. IA, IA and II. And the right answer for this question is option B. IA, IO and IB, IO. Question number 193. Which of the following is not correct? Option A. 3 or more alleles of a trait in the population are called multiple alleles. B. A normal gene undergoes mutations to form many alleles. C. Multiple alleles map at different loci of a chromosome. D. A diploid organism has only 2 alleles out of many in population. The right answer is option C. Multiple alleles map at different loci of a chromosome. Question number 194. Which of the following phenotypes in the progeny are possible from the parental combination? Option A. A and B only. B. AB and AB only. C. AB only. D. A, B, AB and O. The right answer for this question is option D. A, B, AB and O. Question number 195. Which of the following phenotypes is not possible in the progeny of parental genotypic combination IAIO into IAIB? Option A, AB. Option B, O. Option C, A, D, B. And the right answer for this question is option B, O. Question number 196. Which of the following is true about RH factor in the offspring of parental combination capital D small d into capital D small d, both RH positive? Option A, all will be RH positive. B, half will be RH positive. C, about 3/4 will be RH negative. D, about 1/4 will be RH negative. And the right answer for this question is option D, about 1/4 will be RH negative. Question number 197. What can be the blood group of offspring when both parents have AB blood group? Option A, AB only. B, A, B and AB. C, A, B, AB and O. D, A and B only. And the right answer for this question is option B, A, B and AB. Question number 198. If the child's blood group O and father's blood group is A and the mother's blood group is B, the genotype of the parents will be option A, IAIA and IDIO. B. IAIO and IBIO. C. IAIO and IOIO. D. IOIO and IBIB. And the right answer for this question is option B, IAIO and IBIO. Question number 199. XO type of sex determination and XY type of sex determination are examples of A. Male heterogametry. B. Female heterogametry. C. Male homogametry. D. Both B and C. And the right answer for this question is option A. Male heterogametry. Question number 200. In an accident, there is great loss of blood and there is no time to analyze the blood group. Which blood can be safely transferred? Option A. O and Rh negative. B. O and Rh positive. C. B and Rh negative. D. AB and Rh positive. And the right answer for this question is option A. O and Rh negative. Question number 201. Father of a child is colorblind and mother is carrier for colorblindness. The probability of the child being colorblind is option A 25%, B 50%, C 100%, D 75%. And the right answer for this question is option B 50%. Question number 202. A marriage between a colorblind man and a normal woman produces option A. All carrier daughters and normal sons. B. 50% carrier daughters and 50% normal daughters. C. 50% colorblind sons and 50% normal sons. D. All carrier offsprings. And the right answer for this question is option A. All carrier daughters and normal sons. Question number 203. Mengolism is genetic disorder which is caused by the presence of extra chromosome number A 20, B 21, C 4, D 23. And the right answer for this question is option B 21. Question number 204. Klinefelter syndrome is characterized by a karyotype of A. XYY, B. XO, C. XXX, D. XXY. And the right answer for this question is option D. XXY. Question number 205. Females with Turner syndrome have A. Small uterus, B. Rudimentary ovaries, C. Underdeveloped breast, D. All of these. And the right answer for this question is option D. All of these. Question number 206. Pattis syndrome is also referred to as A. 13 trisomy, B. 18 trisomy, C. 21 trisomy, D. None of these. And the right answer for this question is option A. 13 trisomy. Question number 207. Who is the founder of modern eugenics movement? And the options are A. Mendel, B. Darwin, C. Francis Galton, D. Carl Pearson. The answer is option C. Francis Galton. Question number 208. Improvement of human race by encouraging the healthy persons to marry early and produce large number of children is called A. Positive eugenics, B. Negative eugenics, C. Positive euthenics, D. Positive euphenics. And the right answer for this question is option A. Positive eugenics. Question number 209. The dash deals with the control of several inherited human disease especially inborn errors of metabolism? A. Eugenics, B. Eugenics, C. Euthenics, D. All of these. And the right answer for this question is option A. Eugenics. Question number 210. Universal donor and universal recipient's blood group are dash and dash respectively. Options are A. AB and O, B. O and AB, C. A, B, D, B, A. And the right answer is option B. O, AB. Question number 211. ZWZZ system of sex determination occurs in A. Fishes, B. Reptiles, C. Birds, D. All of these. And the right answer for this question is option D. All of these. Question number 212. A codominant blood group is option A. A, B. AB, C. B, D. O. And the right answer for this question is option B. AB. Question number 213. Which of the following is incorrect regarding ZW-ZZ type of sex determination? Option A. It occurs in birds and some reptiles. B. Females are homogametic and males are heterogametic. C. Male produce two types of gametes. E. It occurs in gypsy moth. The right answer is option B. Females are homogametic and males are heterogametic. Chapter 5. Molecular Genetics. Question number 214. Hershey and Chase experiment with bacteriophage showed that A. Proteins get into bacterial cells. B. DNA is genetic material. C. DNA contains radioactive sulfur. D. Viruses undergo transformation. And the right answer for this question is option B. DNA is the genetic material. Question number 215. DNA and RNA are similar with respect to A. Thymine as a nitrogen base. B. A single-stranded helix shape. C. Nucleotide containing sugars, nitrogen bases and phosphates. D. The same sequence of nucleotides for the amino acid phenylalanine. And the right answer for this question is option C. Nucleotide containing sugars, nitrogen bases and phosphates. Question number 215. A mRNA molecule is produced by A. Replication, B. Transcription, C. Duplication, D. Translation. And the right answer for this question is option B. Transcription. Question number 217. The total number of nitrogenous bases in human genome is estimated to be about A. 3.5 million, B. 35,000, C. 35 million, D. 3.1 billion. And the right answer for this question is option D. 3.1 million. Question number 280. E. coli cell grown on 15N medium are transferred to 14N medium and allowed to grow for 2 generations. DNA extracted from these cells is ultracentrifuged and inertium chloride density gradient. What density distribution of DNA would you expect in this experiment? A. 1 high and 1 low density band. B. 1 intermediate density band. C. 1 high and 1 intermediate density band. D. 1 low and 1 intermediate density band. And the right answer for this question is option D. 1 low and 1 intermediate density band. Question number 290. What is the basis for the difference in the synthesis of the leading and lagging strand of DNA molecules? Option A. Origin of replication occurs only at the 5' end of the molecules. B. DNA ligase works only in the 3' to 5' direction. C. DNA polymerase can join new nucleotides only to the 3' ends of the growing strand? D. Helicases and single-strand binding proteins that work at 5' end. The answer is C. DNA polymerase can join new nucleotides only to the 3' ends of the growing strand. Question number 220. Which of the following is the correct sequence of event with reference to central dogma? Option A. Transcription, translation, replication. B. Transcription, replication, translation. C. Duplication, translation, transcription. D. Replication, transcription, translation. The right answer is option D. Replication, transcription, translation. Question number 221. Which of the following statements about DNA replication is not correct? Option A. Unwinding of DNA molecule occurs as hydrogen bonds break. B. Replication occurs as each base is paired with another exactly like it. C. Process is known as semi-conservative replication because one old strand is conserved with new molecule. D. Complementary base pairs are held together with hydrogen bonds. The answer is option B. Replication occurs as each base is paired with another exactly like it. Question number 222. Which of the following statements is not true about DNA replication in eukaryotes? Option A. Replication begins at single origin of replication. B. Replication is bidirectional from origins. C. Replication occurs as about 1 million base pairs per minute. D. There are numerous different bacterial chromosomes with replication occurring in each at the same time. And the right answer for this question is option D. There are numerous different bacterial chromosomes with replication occurring in each at the same time. Question number 223. The first codon to be deciphered was dash, which codes for option A. AAA proline. B. GGG alanine. C. UUU phenylalanine. D. TTT arginine. And the right answer for this question is option C. UUU phenylalanine. Question number 224. Michelson and Stahl's experiment proved A. Transduction. B. Transformation. C. DNA is genetic material. D. Semi-conservative nature of DNA replication. And the right answer for this question is option D. Semi-conservative nature of DNA replication. Question number 225. Ribosomes are composed of two subunits. The smaller subunit of a ribosome has a binding site for dash, and the larger subunit has two binding sites for 2 dash. Option A. DNA, RNA. Option B. mRNA, tRNA. Option C. tRNA, mRNA. Option D. RNA, DNA. And the right answer for this question is option B. mRNA, tRNA. Question number 226. Peronisa. A. Protein that suppresses gene expression. B. Protein that accelerates gene expression. C. Cluster of structural genes with related function. D. Gene that switched other genes on or off. The answer is option C. Cluster of structural genes with related function. Question number 227. When lactose is present in the culture medium, A. transcription of LAC-E, LAC-Z, and LAC-A genes occurs. B. Repressor is unable to bind to the operator. C. Repressor is able to bind to the operator. D. Both A and B are correct. The right answer for this question is option D. Both A and B are correct. 12th Standard Biozoology, Chapter 16, Evolution. Question number 228. The first life on Earth originated A. in air, B. on land, C. in water, D. on mountain. Right answer for this question is option C. in water. Question number 229. Who published the book Origin of Species by Natural Selection in 1859? A. Charles Darwin, B. Lamarck, C. Weismann, D. Hugo de Vries. The right answer is option A. Charles Darwin. Question number 230. Which of the following was the contribution of Hugo de Vries? A. Theory of mutation, B. Theory of natural selection, C. Theory of inheritance of acquired characters, C. Germplasm theory. The right answer is option A. Theory of mutation. Question number 231. The wings of birds and butterflies is an example of A. Adaptive radiation, B. Convergent evolution, C. Divergent evolution, D. Variation. The right answer is option B. Convergent evolution. Question number 232. The phenomenon of industrial melanism demonstrates A. Natural selection, B. Induced mutation, C. Reproductive isolation, D. Geographical isolation. The right answer for this question is option A. Natural selection. Question number 233. Darwin's finches are an excellent example of A. Connecting links, B. Seasonal migration, C. Adaptive radiation, D. Parasitism. The right answer for this question is option C. Adaptive radiations. Question number 234. Who proposed the germplasm theory? A. Darwin, B. August Weismann, C. Lamarck, D. Alfred Wallace. The right answer for this question is option B. August Weismann. Question number 235. The age of fossils can be determined by A. Electron microscope, B. Weighing the fossils, C. Carbon dating, D. Analysis of bones. The right answer for this question is option C. Carbon dating. Question number 236. Fossils are generally found in A. Igneous rocks, B. Metamorphic rocks, C. Volcanic rocks, D. Sedimentary rocks. The right answer for this question is option D. Sedimentary rocks. Question number 237. Evolution history of an organism is called A. Ancestry, B. Ontogeny, C. Phylogeny. Option D. Morphology. The right answer for this question is option C. Phylogeny. Question number 238. The golden age of reptiles was A. Mesozoic era, B. Cenozoic era, C. Paleozoic era, D. Proterozoic era. The right answer is option A. Mesozoic era. Question number 239. Which period was called Age of Fishes? Option A. Permian, B. Triassic, C. Devonian, D. Ordovician. The right answer is option C. Devonian. Question number 240. Modern man belongs to which period? A. Quaternary, B. Cretaceous, C. Silurian, D. Cambrian. The right answer is option A. quaternary. Question number 241. The Neanderthal man had the brain capacity of A. 650 to 800 cc, B. 1200 cc, C. 900 cc, D. 1400 cc. Right answer for this question is option D. 1400 cc. Chapter 7. Human Health and Diseases. Question number 242. A 30-year-old woman has bleedy diarrhea for past 14 hours. Which one of the following organisms is likely to cause this illness? Option A. Streptococcus pyogenes, B. Clostridium difficile, C. Shigella dysenteriae, D. Salmonella enteritis. The right answer is option C. Shigella dysenteriae. Question number 243. Exoerythrocytic schizogony of Plasmodium takes place in A. RBC, B. Leukocytes, C. Stomach, D. Liver. Right answer is option D. Liver. Question number 244. The sporocytes of Plasmodium vivax are formed from A. Gametocytes, B. Sporoblast, C. Oocyst, D. Spores. Right answer for this question is option C. Oocyst. Question number 245. Amphetamines are stimulants of CNS, whereas barbiturates are A. CNS stimulant, B. both A and B, C. hallucinogenic, D. CNS depressants. The right answer for this question is option D. CNS depressants. Question number 246. Choose the correctly matched pair. A. Amphetamines stimulant, B. LSD narcotic, C. Heroin psychotropic, D. Benzodiazepine painkiller. The right answer for this question is option A. Amphetamines stimulant. Question number 247. The athlete's foot disease in human is caused by option A. Bacteria, B. Fungi, C. Virus, D. Protozoan. The right answer is option B. Fungi. Question number 248. Cirrhosis of liver is caused by chronic intake of A. Opium, B. Alcohol, C. Tobacco, D. Cocaine. The right answer for this question is option B. Alcohol. Question number 249. The sporozoite of malarial parasite is present in A. Saliva of infected Anopheles mosquito, B. RBC of human suffering from malaria, C. Spleen of infected human, D. Gut of female Anopheles mosquito. The right answer for this question is option A. Saliva of infected Anopheles mosquito. Question number 250. Where do the following events in the life cycle of Plasmodium takes place? A. Fertilization, dash, B. Development of gametophytes, dash, C. Release of sporocytes, dash, D. Schizogony, dash. The answers are A. Fertilization, gut of mosquito, B. Development of gametophytes, human RBCs, C. Release of sporocytes from mosquito to human blood, D. Schizogony, human liver cells. Question number 251. Parotope is an A. Antibody binding site on variable regions, B. Antibody binding site on heavy regions, C. Antigen binding site on variable regions, D. Antigen binding site on heavy regions. The right answer is option C. Antigen binding site on variable regions. Question number 252. Allergy involves Option A, IgE, B, IgG, C, IgA, D, IgM. The right answer for this question is option A, IgE. Question number 253. Spread of cancerous cell to distant sites is termed as A, metastasis, B, oncogenes, C, proto-oncogenes, D, malignant neoplasm. The right answer is option A, metastasis. Question number 254. AIDS virus has option A, single-stranded RNA, B, double-stranded RNA, C, single-stranded DNA, D, double-stranded DNA. The right answer for this question is option A, single-stranded RNA. Question number 255. B cells that produce and release large amounts of antibody are called A, memory cells, B, basophils, C, plasma cells, D, killer cells. The answer is option C, plasma cells. Chapter 8, Microbes in Human Welfare. Question number 256. Which of the following microorganism is used for production of citric acid in industries? A, Lactobacillus bulgaris, B, Penicillium citrinum, C, Aspergillus niger, D, Rhizopus nigricans. The right answer for this question is option C, Aspergillus niger. Question number 257. Which of the following pair is correctly matched for the product produced by them? Option A, Acetobacter aceti antibiotics, B, Methanobacterium lactic acid, C, Penicillium notatum acetic acid, D, Saccharomyces cerevisiae ethanol. The right answer for this question is option D, Saccharomyces cerevisiae ethanol. Question number 258. The most common substrate used in distilleries for production of ethanol is A, soya meal, B, ground gram, C, molasses, D, corn meal. The right answer is option C, molasses. Question number 259. Cryotoxins obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis are effective against for A, mosquitoes, B, flies, C, nematodes, D, bollworms. The right answer is option D, bollworms. Question number 260. Cyclosporin A is an immunosuppressive drug produced from option A, Aspergillus niger, B, Meniscus purpureus, C, Penicillium notatum, D, Trichoderma polysporum. The answer is option D, Trichoderma polysporum. Question number 261. Which of the following bacteria is used extensively as biopesticide? A, Bacillus thuringiensis, B, Bacillus subtilis, C, Lactobacillus acidophilus, D, Streptococcus lactis. The right answer for this question is option A, Bacillus thuringiensis. Question number 262. Which of the following is not involved in nitrogen fixation? A, Pseudomonas, B, Azotobacter, C, Anabenna, D, Nostac. The right answer for this question is option A, Pseudomonas. Question number 263. CO2 is not released during A, alcoholic fermentation, B, lactate fermentation, C, aerobic respiration in animals, D, aerobic respiration in plants. The right answer for this question is option B, lactate fermentation. Question number 264. The purpose of biological treatment of wastewater is to A, reduce BOD, B, increase BOD, C, reduce sedimentation, D, increase sedimentation. The right answer for this question is option A, reduce BOD. Question number 265. The gases produced in anaerobic sludge digesters are A, methane, oxygen and hydrogen sulfide, B. Hydrogen sulfide, methane and sulfur dioxide. C. Hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen and methane. D. Methane, hydrogen sulfide and CO2. The right answer is option D. Methane, hydrogen sulfide and CO2. Chapter 9. Applications of Biotechnology. Question number 266. The first clinical gene therapy was done for the treatment of A. AIDS, B. Cancer, C. Cystic fibrosis, D. SCID. The right answer for this question is option D. SCID. Question number 267. Dolly the sheep was obtained by a technique known as A. Cloning by gene transfer, B. Cloning without the help of gametes, C. Cloning by tissue culture of somatic cells, D. Cloning by nuclear transfer. The right answer for this question is option D. Cloning by nuclear transfer. Question number 268. The genetic defect adenosine deaminase deficiency may be cured permanently by A. Enzyme replacement therapy, B. Periodic infusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes having ADA-C DNA, C. Administering adenosine deaminase activators, D. Introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into embryo at an early stage of development. The right answer for this question is option D. Introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into embryo at an early stage of development. Question number 269. How many amino acids are arranged in the two chains of insulin? A. Chain A has 12 and chain B has 13. B. Chain A has 21, chain B has 30 amino acids. C. Chain A has 20 and chain B has 30 amino acids. D. Chain A has 12 and chain B has 20 amino acids. The right answer for this question is option B. Chain A has 21 and chain B has 30 amino acids. Question number 270. PCR proceeds in 3 distinct steps governed by temperature. They are in the order of A. Denaturation, annealing, synthesis. B. Synthesis, annealing, denaturation. C. Annealing, synthesis, denaturation. D. Denaturation, synthesis, annealing. The right answer for this question is option A. Denaturation, annealing, synthesis. Question number 271. Which one of the following statements is true regarding DNA polymerase used in PCR? Option A. It is used to ligate introduced DNA in recipient cells. B. It serves as selectable marker. C. It is isolated from a virus. D. It remains active at a high temperature. The right answer for this question is option D. It remains active at a high temperature. Question number 272. ELISA is mainly used for A. Detection of mutations. B. Detection of pathogens. C. Selecting animals having desired traits. D. Selecting plants having desired traits. Right answer is option B. Detection of pathogens. Question number 273. Transgenic animals are those which have A. Foreign DNA in some of their cells. B. Foreign DNA in all their cells. C. Foreign RNA in some of their cells. D. Foreign RNA in all their cells. The right answer for this question is option B. Foreign DNA in all their cells. Question number 274. Recombinant factor 8 is produced in the dash cells of Chinese hamster. A. Liver cells. B. Blood cells. C. Ovarian cells. D. Brain cells. Right answer is option C. Ovarian cells. Question number 275. Vaccines that use components of pathogenic organism rather than the whole organism are called A. Subunit recombinant vaccines, B. Attenuated recombinant vaccines, C. DNA vaccines, D. Conventional vaccines. The right answer is option A. Subunit recombinant vaccine. Chapter 10. Organisms and population. Question number 276. All populations in a given physical area are defined as A. Biome, B. Ecosystem, C. Territory, D. Biotic factors. The right answer for this question is option A. Biome. Question number 277. Organisms which can survive wide range of temperature are called A. Ectotherms, B. Eurytherms, C. Endotherms, D. Stenotherms. The right answer for this question is option B. Eurytherms. Question number 278. The interaction in nature when one gets benefit of an expense of other is A. Predation, B. Mutualism, C. Amensalism, D. Commensalism. The right answer for this question is option D. Commensalism. Question number 279. Predation and parasitism are which type of interactions? A. Plus plus, B. Plus O, C. Minus minus, D. Plus minus. The right answer for this question is option D. Plus minus. Question number 280. Competition between species leads to A. Extinction, B. Mutation, C. Amensalism, D. Symbiosis. The right answer for this question is option A. Extinction. Question number 281. Which one of the following is an R species? A. Human, B. Insects, C. Rhinoceros, D. Whale. The right answer is option B. Insects. Question number 282. Match the following and choose the correct combination from the given options below. Column 1, column 2. Column 1. A. Mutualism, B. Commensalism, C. Parasitism, D. Competition, E. Predation. Column 2. 1. Lion and deer, 2. Roundworm and man, 3. Birds compete with squirrels for nuts, 4. Sea anemone on hermit crab, 5. Barnacles attached to whales. Options are option A. A4, B5, C2, D3, E1, B. A3, B1, C4, D2, E5, C. A2, B3, C1, D5, E4, D. A5, B4, C2, D3, E1. The right answer is option A. A4, B5, C2, D3, E1. Question number 283. The figure given below is diagrammatic representation of response of organisms to abiotic factors. What do A, B and C represent respectively? Option A. Conformer, regulator, partial regulator. B. Regulator, partial regulator, conformer. C. Partial regulator, regulator, conformer. D. Regulator, conforming, partial regulator. Right answer is option A. Conformer, regulator, partial regulator. Question number 284. The relationship between suckerfish and shark is A. Competition, B. Commensalism, C. Predation, D. Parasitism. The right answer for this question is option B. Commensalism. Question number 285. What type of human population is represented by the following age pyramid? Option A. Vanishing population, B. Stable population, C. declining population, D. expanding population. The right answer for this question is option B. stable population. Question number 286. Which of the following is correct for R selected species? A. large number of progeny with small size. B. large number of progeny with large size. C. small number of progeny with small size. D. small number of progeny with large size. The right answer for this question is option A. large number of progeny with small size. Question number 287. Animals that can move from fresh water to sea water is called as A. stenothermal, B. eurythermal, C. catadromous, D. anadromous. The right answer for this question is option C. catadromous. Question number 288. Some organisms are able to maintain homeostasis by physical means. A. confirm, B. regulate, C. migrate, D. suspend. Right answer for this question is option B. regulate. Chapter 11. Biodiversity and its conservation. Question number 289. Which of the following region has maximum biodiversity? A. taiga, B. tropical forest, C. temperate rainforest, D. mangroves. The right answer is option B. tropical forest. Question number 290. Conservation of biodiversity within their natural habitat is A. in situ conservation, B. ex situ conservation, C. in vivo conservation, D. in vitro conservation. The right answer for this question is option A. in situ conservation. Question number 291. Which one of the following is not coming under in situ conservation? A. sanctuaries, B. natural parks, C. zoological parks, D. biosphere reserves. The right answer for this question is option C. zoological park. Question number 292. Which one of the following is considered a hotspot of biodiversity in India? A. Western Ghats, B. Indo-Gangetic Plains, C. Eastern Himalayas, D. A and C. The right answer for this question is option D. A and C. Question number 293. The organization which published the Red List of Species is A. WWF, B. IUCN, C. ZSI, D. UNEP. The right answer for this question is option B. IUCN. Question number 294. Who introduced the term biodiversity? A. Edward Wilson, B. Walter Rosen, C. Norman Myers, D. Alice Norman. The right answer for this question is option B. Walter Rosen. Question number 295. Which of the following forest is known as the lungs of the planet Earth? A. tundra forest, B. rainforest in northeast India, C. taiga forest, D. Amazon rainforest. The right answer for this question is option D. Amazon rainforest. Question number 296. Which one of the following are at high risk extinction due to habitat destruction? A. mammals, B. birds, C. amphibians, D. echinoderms. The right answer for this question is option C. amphibians. Question number 297. Assertion. The environmental conditions of the tropics are favorable for speciation and diversity of organisms. Reason. The climate seasons, temperature, humidity and photo period are more or less stable and congenial. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion correctly. B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C. Assertion is true but reason is false. D. Both assertion and reason are false. The right answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion correctly. Coming to the last chapter of biology, chapter 12, environmental issues. Question number 298. Right to clean water is a fundamental right under Indian Constitution. Option A, Article 12. B, Article 21. C, Article 31. D, Article 41. The right answer for this question is option C, Article 31. Question number 299. With which of the following the Agenda 21 of Rio Summit 1992 is related to? A, sustainable development. B, combating the consequences of population. C, mitigation norms of greenhouse gases emission. D, technology transfer mechanism to developing countries for clean energy production. The right answer is option A, sustainable development. Question number 300. Which of the following awards is instituted by the Government of India for individuals or communities from rural areas that have shown extraordinary courage in dedication in protecting wildlife? Option A, Indira Gandhi Paryavaran Purakshar. B, Medini Purakshar Yojana. C, Amrita Devi Bishnoi Award. D, Pitambar Pant National Award. The right answer is option C, Amrita Devi Bishnoi Award. Question number 301. The thickness of stratospheric ozone layer is measured in or on A, Sieverts units. B, Dobson units. C, Melson units. D, Beaufort scale. The right answer for this question is option B, Dobson units. Question number 302. Which among the following is the most abundant greenhouse gas in the Earth's atmosphere? A, carbon dioxide. B, water vapor. C, sulfur dioxide. D, tropospheric ozone. The right answer for this question is option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 303. As per 2017 statistics, the highest per capita emitter of carbon dioxide in the world is A, USA. B, China. C, Qatar. D, Saudi Arabia. The right answer for this question is option B, China. Question number 304. The use of microorganism metabolism to remove pollutants such as oil spills in water bodies is known as A, biomagnification. B, biomeditation. C, biomethanation. D, bioreduction. The right answer for this question is option B, bioremediation. Question number 305. The Ozone Day is observed every year on September 16. As on this day in 1987, the dash was signed for launching efforts to arrest the depletion of the fragile ozone layer in the stratosphere that prevents the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun from reaching the earth. Fill the correct word in the blank. Option A, Montreal Protocol. B, Geneva Protocol. C, Kyoto Protocol. D, Nagoya Protocol. The right answer is option A, Montreal Protocol. Question number 306. Which of the following always decreases in a food chain across trophic levels? A, number. B, accumulated chemicals. C, energy. D, force. The right answer for this question is option C, energy. Question number 307. In the e-waste generated by mobile phones, which among the following metal is most abundant? A, copper. B, silver. C, palladium. D, gold. The right answer for this question is option A, copper. Question number 308. The hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFS, are the compounds which have the following molecules. A, hydrogen. B, carbon. C, chlorine. D, fluorine. The right answer for this question is option C, chlorine. Question number 309. Smog is derived from A, smoke. B, fog. C, both A and B. D, only A. The right answer for this question is Option C, both A and B. Question number 310. Excess of fluoride in drinking water causes A. Lung disease, B. Intestinal infection, C. Fluorosis, D. None of the above. Right answer is option C, fluorosis.
அண்ணா ஏன் இப்ப மூஞ்சி தொங்க போட்டு வச்சிருக்க?
நான் பிகாம் முடிச்சுட்டு சிஏ அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணலான்னு இருந்தேன். ஆனா இப்ப ஜாப் போனா அதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இண்டிவிஜுவலா சிஏ ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலான்னு இருந்தேன். பட் ஆனா என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இண்டிவிஜுவலா பண்ணி அட்டெம்ப்ட்ல இருக்காங்க. ஏதாவது இன்ஸ்டியூட்ல சேர்ந்து சிஏ படிக்கலாம்னா எந்த இன்ஸ்டியூட்ல சேர்ந்து படிக்கலாம்னு எனக்கு தெரியல.
அண்ணா என்கிட்ட ஒரு நல்ல ஐடியா இருக்கு. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இன்ஜினியரிங்கும் மெடிக்கல்ஸும் எனக்கு செட் ஆகாதோன்னு தோணுது. பேசாம சிஏ பண்ணலாமான்னு யோசிக்கிறேன்.
இந்த ஸ்மார்ட் போல இருந்து
லாஸ்ட் இயர் டிவி ப்ரோக்ராம் பார்த்தேன். அதுல ஒருத்தர் கெரியர் அட்வைஸ் கொடுத்தாரு. அதை கேட்டதுல இருந்து எனக்கு அதுவே மைண்ட்ல ஓடிட்டே இருக்கு.
சிஏ பண்றதுலாம் அவ்வளவு ஈஸி கிடையாது. உங்களுக்கே ஒரு நியாயம் வேண்டாமா?
ப்ரோ அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியும். ஏன்னா நான் படிக்க போறது வந்து ஃபுல் டைம் ரெசிடென்ஷியல் ஆடிட்டிங் காலேஜ்ல. டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் ஃப்ரீ என்விரான்மெண்ட், பெஸ்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ் கைடன்ஸ், நல்ல ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கம்யூனிட்டியோட இருக்கிற காலேஜ்ல படிக்க போறேன்.
இப்படி ஒரு காலேஜ் இருக்கா என்ன?
ஈரோடு பக்கத்துல என்எம்சி ஆடிட்டிங் காலேஜ்னு ஒரு இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் இருக்கு. அங்க சிஏ அண்ட் சிஎம்ஏ கோச்சிங் கொடுத்துட்டு வராங்க. நீயும் சிஏ தானே படிக்கலான்னு இருந்த. நம்ம 2 பேரும் என்எம்சிலயே அட்மிஷன் போட்டுடலாமா?
ஆமா, சூப்பர் ஐடியா. ஓகே, உடனே அப்பா அம்மாவை கூட்டிட்டு என்எம்சி காலேஜ் போயிடலாம்.
அட்மிஷன் போடலாம், சிஏ ஆகலாம்.
சூப்பர்.
எஸ்.